If you want to see more smoothie recipes and about my fitness life, follow me at GenieAngel_. This is one of my favorite smoothie recipes. You add yogurt. I use plain yogurt and blueberries and a banana and strawberries and a little milk. And I can't even say it. I eyeballed it. For this recipe, you need spinach, granola, blueberries, sliced strawberries, vanilla yogurt, a banana, and milk. So I'm just taking the baby spinach that's organic and from Aldi's. And I dropped some on the table, of course. The table is clean. And I'm putting it in the measuring cup. I put 1 cup of spinach. And yes, it's hard to record with one hand on. It's hard to record with one hand. So had to get that close up though. Now I'm taking 1 cup of bananas, which is 1 banana, 1/2 cup of blueberries, or half a cup of blueberries, and 1/4 cup of strawberries. And I'm just putting it in there. And I'm taking 1 cup of yogurt, which is vanilla yogurt, and I'm taking half a cup of milk. This yogurt is only 80 calories, y'all, and only 6 grams of sugar. That's really healthy. I'm putting the ice in there. I think I put 1/4 cup of ice to make it thicker. Okay, so now I'm putting it in the blender. And it takes a little bit to blend it, but sometimes you gotta shake it up, and then it goes down and everything's blended to perfection. I just love the color. Like, you put 1 cup of spinach and it's still like purple because of the blueberries. So that's pretty cool. And I promise you guys, I've said it before, but you cannot even taste the spinach in there. Oh my goodness, I'm just like mesmerized by that. Like, it just tastes so healthy and good for you. So I just poured it in there, and I originally forgot to put my granola in there. So yeah, I put 1/4 of granola, and yeah. For this recipe, I got blueberries, a can of Mandarin oranges, sliced strawberries, and milk. So I got 1/3 cup of blueberries, 1 cup of Mandarin oranges, and a half a cup of strawberries. And I put it in there, and then I put 1 cup of milk. And honestly, guys, it was a little runny, so next time I would put 1 cup of yogurt and a half a cup of milk. And I promise you that's the right consistency for a smoothie. That's what I usually do when I make a smoothie. So, so I try to put the ice in there to make it less runny. And that's the finished smoothie.